YouTube. This is Logan here for my second video this week. First video is my introduction, back on topic. This video will be a PHP tutorial, so this is going to be tutorial 1, and this is actually going to be programming PHP. This is not going to be instructions on how to download and set up PHP, how to get required stuff, requirements, and etc. That will probably be next video. So anyways, we're going to start and by making this notepad. Tutorial1.php is the name of mine. And I'm using Notepad++. If you don't know what that is, you can download it at notepad-plus-plus.org. Anyways, let's get on topic. PHP's normal syntax is less than question mark PHP, and then enter or space, and then question mark greater than sign. This is the basic syntax for PHP, unless you were using short syntax where it'll be this, and you can do stuff like this. However, I'm not going to get into that. That probably looks really confusing to you guys. Do not even think about this right now, because it is really confusing. So anyways, PHP. What should I talk about first? Well, first I'm going to be talking about, I'm probably going to start with a nice Hello World tutorial. I'm sure you guys have seen this many times, but, you know, I just really want to start my series by doing this. So anyways, Hello World. Basically, Hello World is accessible in every single programming language. It's just printing stuff on a screen that says Hello World. So anyways, to do this, we're going to put echo Hello World. Now, doing this will output on your screen Hello World. I will show you in a second if I have easy PHP opened, which I do not, so I'm going to need it. So anyways, Hello World, this is what it's going to echo as Hello World. Now, while I am loading up easy PHP, I'm going to show you guys something else, which I will explain. We're going to make a variable. The representation for variable is a money sign, and then your variable, so we're just going to name this var. Oh, that was weird. Oh, okay. So we're just going to, what the heck? We're just going to name this var. Still do not know why this is completely screwed up. Var equals hello world. So going into details with variables really quick, you have 3, 4, 5 something different types of variables. One, you have strings. String, yeah. Now a string is basically what I have up here. It's just text. It needs to have these little quotation marks. 2, we have an integer, otherwise known as an, I don't know why I keep hitting that. Integer, otherwise known as an int. They both work the same way because they're both the same thing. An integer is any whole number. So, yeah. Actually, I'll just keep this. Now, number 3, and I just realized this is still messed up. Okay, I'll have to fix this soon. There we go. So 3 is going to be a boolean, otherwise known as a bool. This is a true or false statement, so we'll just put this here. True, false. Up here we're going to put 1.0, 1. Up here for string we're going to put hi. We come down more and we get 4. 4 is a double. A double is any number that has a decimal or a fraction. So decimal would be like 1.4, that's a double. These are the only 4 I can think of right now. I'm pretty sure there's more. So anyways, do not write that out on your notepad or else nothing's going to show up. You're just going to get an error. So as we have a string right here named var. Now what this string is, this variable here holds the text of var. So if we call this variable or print it on screen, it's going to say hello world, which I will show you in a minute if I can still find. Okay, here it is. I think I just missed that earlier. I'm not sure. And we'll also click explore. Don't even look at this. I have so much crap on here. I haven't used this for about 6 months probably. Yeah, we're just gonna merge that one. tutorials. So anyways, now we're gonna edit this here, and we can close all this up. If you guys don't mind. Do not know why this didn't save, but I'll just rewrite it really quick. Echo hello world. Come up here real quick. Var equals hello world. So if I were to run this program right now, I would simply get if I can even find my Firefox right now, reload this. I would simply get the text if I hello world. Now this is PHP's hello world function. So yeah, like I said, easiest to do, pretty easy to do, and yeah, so we're done with echoing text. This is pretty simple. Echo is not a function, by the way, for those of you who think it is. It's just not a function. Anyways, echo, and actually we're not going to even use this, we're going to say var. Now, so I said earlier that vars, if you store variables store the data that you assign them to. So if I'm echoing a variable, it's going to echo what the variable has in it. So let's say I open up Mozilla, refresh this. You're going to get hello world. Now this is simple for everything. Pretty simple to understand variables. Now if I set my var equals 1 and said echo var, we're going to get the function thingy there printed on screen 1. Now PHP is a pretty simplistic programming language to understand in my own opinion. Now I have been doing it a while, so that might be why it's easy for me, but anyways, yeah. I mean, so far I've taught you guys echo statements and variables. Variables hold data. Those 4 types of data are doubles, ints, strings, or booleans. Booleans are true or false. Strings are text. Integers are any whole number. And a double is any decimal or fraction. Or fraction is a decimal, so it goes both ways. So yeah. And then echo is not a function. That's a review. It's not a function. I will teach you guys about functions later, but just remember that for now, it is not a function. So basically, you're gonna learn that throughout that it is not a function, and basically whatever you put in parentheses in exclamation, no, and yeah, in no, what is it? Quotation marks. That's what I was thinking. Anything you put in quotation marks after that will be printed on the screen, or you can put a variable which does not require you to have quotation marks. Although you can have quotation marks, or so I'm not going to go over this in this video. This will be next video. It'll be kind of a advanced echo tutorial. But yeah, you can have quotation marks, or you can also have these double line things, whatever you want to call them. So yeah, I'm going to sign off for now. Please subscribe, and show this video to your friends if you found it helpful. I don't know. So yeah, see you guys. Diamonds in the night. Oh, 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 diamonds in